How you doing, baby?
21st century producer.
I saw your heart and you're dark bada. You know this love keeps going more harder.
So I'm using a foundation from Makeup Forever foundation palette, and this is a white foundation.
Me, I will love you now till forever. Nothing can stop us, not even soldier. See, we don't send nobody their father. See, one bad, see, we go send on down.
Going ahead with this brush to pick the lid color and place it the part where the lid color meets with the crease color. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the crease color again, and I'll set above it. So I'm going to carefully place it. So I'm going to go ahead and use a deeper blue. So I'm extending the blue to my outer part of our lashes. I'm going to use my powder to blend. I'm going to use this powder to blend the edges. So I'm going to be using a concealer from Black Opal in 04 Tan.
I saw your heart and you're dark bada. You know this love keeps going more harder.
I'm going to be using a cool tone foundation to contour around my lips, and I'm using No Blemishes liquid foundation from Ruby Kisses, and this shade is Honey Brown.
Nothing can stop us, not even soldier. See, we don't send nobody their father. See, one bad, see, we go send on down.
So I'm going to go ahead and pick a shade from this Makeup Forever foundation palette, and I'm going to be placing that in the middle part of my lips.